What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the top 5 products that you guys need to be testing for May 2023. Now, these products that I chose specifically are ones that have been proven to sell in the past and also ones that you can start with little to no money on TikTok. So I know these will be a really good fit for you guys, especially if you have a very low budget to start. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Be sure to subscribe down below. So for the very first product that we're going to be talking about today is the Incense burners. Now, there have been a couple of accounts that have done extremely well with these types of products, and you guys can see right here we have this account called Moon Sign Store, and they actually upload pretty consistently, about 1 to maybe 2 videos per day, and you guys can see that they have 43,000 followers, 1.7 million likes, and you guys can see within the past couple of days they've gotten a video up to 350,000 views, and all they're doing is just showcasing the product. All they're doing is placing the incense burner in front of a really nice background, one that'll catch your attention, and they're using very trendy music. And these videos are extremely easy to make. They only have to be like 5 to maybe 10 seconds long, and they produce an automatic wow factor when someone's scrolling on their TikTok feed just because of how cool it looks. So if we actually go on their website, you guys can see that it's pretty simple and is very easy to replicate, and they've only been using a couple of colors to represent their brand. And when you go to the actual pages for the incense burners, you guys can see that they're charging quite a lot for it, around $100, $70 for these very simple and ceramic items. But if we go to AliExpress, you guys can see that you can source these products for around $10. And the cool thing about the incense burner niche is that there's so many different variants of very cool incense burners that you guys can be selling. And you can see the price range is anywhere from around $5, $10, $15, or even $20. And there's really no reason that you guys would need to be selling it for around $100. Honestly, their conversion rate is probably really low because of this. So if you guys are going to be testing this product out, I do recommend trying to sell the product for around 20 to maybe 30 bucks. This will leave you guys with at least a $10 to $20 profit margin, which is perfect for organic TikTok marketing. And the cool thing about this account here that I just showed you, it's actually replicating an account called Zendai Store, which has 2.8 million followers. I've been following them for a very long time, and they also have a really nice website as well. And all they're doing is just replicating their most viral videos, and they're not reinventing the wheel. Like a lot of these different incense burners are the exact same ones that they're selling on their account. So this is definitely a really cool niche that you guys should be testing products in. Now, going on to the next product, we're going to be talking about the rain humidifier. So this product has started to trend again, and it's very unique because it's unlike any type of humidifier I've ever seen. And you guys can see that we have this account here called snuggling.co. They have almost 50,000 followers, 1.1 million likes, and they've been posting very recently. So this was in the past day. They got 25,000 views within the past week or so. And the cool thing that I do like about this product is that it stands out compared to a lot of other humidifiers out there. Like everyone on TikTok wants to sell the LED humidifier, the flame humidifier, but this one is very unique and cool because it stands out. And it's not reinventing the wheel, like I said, right? It's capitalizing on a niche that has already been proven to sell on TikTok. You're just selling a slight variant of a main product. And you guys can also see that their videos are around 5 to maybe 10 or 12 seconds long, and they're very easy to create content with. And when you go to their website, you guys can see that they're selling this product for $100, which I honestly think is way too much for this product. So if we were to go on AliExpress, you guys can see that you can get it for around maybe $28 or so, and with free shipping. So they also have a handful of different variants that you can sell the product with. So ideally, what I would sell this product for is no more than $50. You guys do have to understand, we're talking about organic TikTok marketing here. Unless you're trying to advertise this product using paid advertising, there's really no reason as to why you'd want to sell it for $100+. And as long as you're profiting at least $10 to $20 per sale, then that's fine. Another thing that I did notice as well is that their website isn't all that great, right? Like they have a pretty basic logo. They didn't really describe the product all that well. Like we have ChatGPT now, you can create a much better description than this. And they only just use the images of the main product in order to put on their product page. So they didn't put any types of like lifestyle images or gifts in their product description. So there's a lot more room for improvement for this product, and I know you guys can sell it a lot better than them. Now, going on to the third product, we're gonna be talking about the smoothie blender. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this product before. This is a very big repeat winner every single year around the spring and summertime. This is the perfect product to start selling. And I'm telling you guys this now, mainly because I want you to hop on this product early, right? There's gonna be a ton of people that are gonna be trying to advertise this product, and it's gonna be way too late because so many other people are trying to test the exact same product. Same thing with the slushy cup. The crazy thing about this is that this account here is probably one of the biggest accounts that have sold this product, and the last time that they even posted a video was last year. And they're missing out on a ton of money a ton of opportunity that you guys can capitalize on. And just looking through their account, like they have so many different viral videos of this product. And one of the main things that I do recommend if you guys want to test this product out is make sure that you're responding to comments, right? Make sure that you're doing response videos to people. So if someone comments, hey, I want you to do a video of a smoothie for a watermelon, so you're going to be able to increase the chances of your videos and account going viral, because this is going to entice more people to comment on different video requests as well, and this is going to skyrocket your results, I promise you. So when we go to their actual website, you guys see that they're selling it for $60. Overall, they have some really nice branding. They're utilizing GIFs as well, and a lot of these different images on here are from AliExpress. Like they just copy and pasted it from AliExpress, so there's no reason as to why you wouldn't be able to replicate something exactly like this. And you can see that they don't have any type of branding on their product as well. Like this is a product that is directly drop shipped from AliExpress. And what I would recommend that you guys do, instead of branding your website like this green color like they did, try to brand it a little bit more to the product variants. So they're selling a white and pink variant, so I would make the entire website white and pink. You're going to give a more brand feel, which in turn is going to increase your conversion rate and brand trust. And when we go on AliExpress, I saw that you can get this product for around $12 to maybe $15. So if you're just going to be doing organic marketing, I do recommend selling it for around $24 to maybe $30. And the reason as to why they probably price it for around $60 is probably because they were doing a little bit of paid marketing. The cool thing about this product is that you don't have to use any type of third party or other alternative suppliers to AliExpress, because you can actually get 12-day deliveries. And I've even seen some listings get a lot faster deliveries than that within a week. So really this way you can get the best deal for this product and increase your profit margins. Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys is that I actually have a winning product membership where I list new winning products every single day that are very similar to these, and all of them you can start testing with little to no money because they use TikTok organic marketing. I list everything in terms of their stores, their TikTok accounts, also the suppliers that you guys can use on AliExpress, and they're really just good products that you guys can be testing, especially if you have a very low budget. I'll throw up some results of my recent members here, and you have to remember this is mostly profit because we're doing organic marketing. And it includes a free A to Z dropshipping course, and it also includes free email marketing templates that you guys can be using, and also a private group. So if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out down in my description or the comment section down below. Now going on to the fourth product, we're going to be talking about the Wolf humidifier. This is actually probably one of the most unique humidifiers that I've ever seen, and it's no surprise to me that it went insanely viral, and there's still room for more sellers. So you guys can see here, we have this account here, the Wolfie Head 64, and it has 22,000 followers, 1.2 million likes, and it seems that they're capitalizing on this trend of don't look at the template, bro. I've seen a lot of these different TikTok dropshipping accounts utilizing this trend, and they've been able to blow up their account. And you can see within the past couple of days, 6.5 million views, 7 million views, 3 million views. It seems like they just now started testing this Wolf humidifier. It looked like before they were testing this magnetic cable, which was another really big winning product on TikTok, but it looks like they're transitioning and they sort of have like a general store. So if we actually go onto their website, so when you go to their actual website, you guys can see it's very basic. Like it's very simple to create something like this, and you guys can do 100 times better. And you can see that the main variants are black and white. So I would have kept the branding to black and white on the site. You could have made a much better website than this, but you can see that the main selling point, the main thing that makes it stand out and have a wow factor, is that it has a very cool LED effect when you turn it on. So when you turn it on, you put water in it, the eyes change, and this whole thing is like detachable. So that's really cool, and this is something that stands out. And this would be perfect for advertising towards a gaming community. And when you go on AliExpress, you can see that you can get the product for around $10, and they actually have estimated deliveries of 4 to 13 days, which is great. I would probably sell this product for around at least $20 to $30. Now going on to the fifth product, we're going to be talking about the mini air conditioner. And again, this type of product is going to be perfect for the summertime, so you guys want to make sure that you're testing it very early. I've seen this product sell extremely well before, so I know you guys can test this as well. And the account that we're going to be looking at is AC Puff. They have 15,000 followers, 457,000 likes, and it seems like they post pretty consistently. The main thing that I've noticed in terms of trends that all these different accounts that we went over today are using is, again, don't look at this template, bro, and they've gone completely viral. But the main thing that I did realize about this account is that you can do a lot better, right? So, like you can do response videos to people's comments. Like some of these videos have terrible lighting and the quality doesn't seem all that great. So what I'd recommend that you guys do is just have like a white background, set the product on a table with good lighting. You know, you can have an Amazon light for like 20 to 30 bucks, and it's going to give you a lot better results in terms of engagement and TikTok actually pushing out your content. And since this product is sold well before, what I also recommend that you guys do is look up the product on TikTok and see what types of videos have gone the most viral for them and try to replicate them. I promise you guys, if you do this, you can make a lot of sales. Another thing to mention as well is that there are a bunch of different variants for this exact same product that you can test out, so you don't have to look like your competition. Now, going to their website, they actually have a really nicely branded store, and they're selling this product for $43.98. And you guys can see that everything is sort of branded towards like AC or cold, and they have like a blue or light blue and white branded site, and they're also utilizing gifts on their store as well. And this is a very simple product page. And it's actually very easy to do something like this. Like, you can probably make this within 20 minutes to maybe an hour. And this is exactly the type of thing that you would want to replicate if you want to create a really nice one product store. Now, you guys can see that they're selling this for $43.98. Now, if we actually go on AliExpress, you can get this for $22. Now, what I recommend that you guys do if you want to really increase your conversion rate, I do recommend that you drop the price just a little bit to maybe $35.99 or $39.99 just to test it out to see where people are willing to buy it. And then once you get those purchases coming in, you can slowly raise up the price. And you also have to remember, you guys, the better that you can make your site, the better that you can make your account in terms of branding, keeping all the colors congruent, the more customer trust that you're going to have, which is going to allow you to get more sales and have higher priced items. But other than that, you guys, those are the top 5 products that I would be testing for the summertime. And hopefully you guys got some value out of this video, and be sure to subscribe down below. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.